Well, we're off. Back on the trail. Following the blue blazes of the SHT. Wow. Well, how about a little tour through camp? Down there we have Poplar River. Really gorgeous view of that. Got my hammock set up. Pitched pretty low. Not used to pitching it that low, but it's cold out here. Got a fire going. Food's cooking. Gonna read a little bit about the trail. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. It's about 35 degrees. I got some hot jet fuel here. Just left the West Poplar River campsite, off for the day. Trying to make it to the Poplar River Overlook, which is about 4 miles away. I've been trying to find this overlook for years, since I did my through hike of the SHT, and I could never remember where it was, and I finally found it, and I'm going to see that same view I saw and remember how I was feeling when I saw that. We sat there, I remember, and reflected quite a bit. It was after we basically just completed 100 miles of the 265, and just felt like a huge milestone, and I'm excited to get back there. Blue skies, sunshine. It's probably about 45 degrees, but with that pack and this terrain, I'm hot, sweating. So, trying to stay hydrated with the Poplar River water. get to Agnes Lake. It's beautiful. I just saw the first people I've seen the whole time. 3 through hikers, both going south to north, which means they've done about 150 miles already. One guy was from Ohio, and the other was a couple from North Carolina with their dog. And I think they have somewhere between 5 and 10 days left in going north. So they're about to get below freezing and rain, and I'm sure they'll hit snow at some point. So hope they make it. I'm sure they will. They're hardened at this point, but it's cool to see non-Minnesotans giving the trail a ride.